Oh yeah,
Cebu
hola.
Butterfly too.
We're
How
already
are you,
here.
everyone? We are in Xcaret, Mexico. We are in Quintana Roo.
So we're gonna go have adventure for a whole day today. So stay tuned and look at my husband is getting ready. So look at the people here. Look at that. It's still 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock in the morning. So wake up early so that we can have. Look at that. You got tired. You got to say tired. Look at that. Oh, huh? Hello, everyone. So this is the validation of your ticket. So you can buy any in the agency or online internet ticket, and then you can validate over here. So this is the whole day exploring here in Xcaret. So if you already buy a ticket by agent or internet, so you need to validate your ticket here, and they need identification card, or I think they need even a passport that you can show that's your identity. So look at that, a lot of tourists is coming here because it's very beautiful inside. It's worth the money you paid, and it's a lot things adventures inside, and it's a free lunch and drinks. You can pick any restaurant inside, and we picked the seafoods buffet, so it's very good. No, this one only. This is the entrance here to go inside here in Xcaret. Oh my god, I'm excited for this adventure here in Mexico, Xcaret. Mutamak ta ani. Oh, disinfectant ay. So you need to step this one because this is disinfectant. So there's no bacteria inside. So this is disinfectant. Oh, okay.
Somos guapos. Guapos de mi grupo.
Yeah. Yeah, welcome here. Guacamaya. Oh, this is so nice.
They got it from the same place I got mine.
Wow. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, they're kissing. They're so cute. Look at them. Kiss? They're so cute. And the other one is maybe the mama. Look at that big one too. This. Oh. Dancing. Dance. Oh, this is Flamingo here in Xcaret. This is so pretty. So handsome. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay. I'm here. Yeah. Xcaret here. Ha? Aw na ade kuan. Opo go. Ay. My god, it scared me. Look. Beba. It scared me. I almost stepped that one.
The little birds are hatching.
Where? Hello. Hello, they're hatching dyan. That's so cute. I almost stepped this one.
La laguna, water is in it.
So this is the map here in Xcaret. Look at that. That's a lot of things to do for one day. So there's an activities over here. You can do snorkeling
This
or
is Mexican. This is Buffet International. This is meat. This is Caribbean. And
oh, big seafood is good, a la carta. There's a restaurant here, buffet. Oh, there's somebody. Gano do here.
This is Caribbean and
Oh, they got
seafood.
restaurant here,
Seafood.
buffet. Buffet seafood is good, a la